And love is a miraculous gift. And that's what a wedding is, a celebration of that magic. And that's why we're here. We're here together to be overjoyed for and with Sue and Pam.
This wedding day, I promise to always respect and listen to you. I promise to be loyal and faithful and put you before all else. I promise that I will always take care of you and love your family as my own. I promise to continue laughing at all your jokes even when they're not your best work. I'll have to because I am your biggest fan after all. I promise I will never take our time for granted. I promise to love you even when you scan through all the movies available on Netflix without actually picking the one to watch. I promise to never doubt your DIY skills. I promise to give you all the love and support that I give Loki, Bella, and Finn. Those are our cats. I promise to encourage and support you through life's challenges because if we stand together, there's nothing we cannot face. And I promise through my words and actions that I love you more than anything in the world. But all this aside, I'm constantly blown away by how amazing you are. I fell in love with you for many reasons. With you, I feel safe, empowered, confident, and beautiful, respected, cherished, and valued. And there isn't a day that I don't feel loved by you, and I promise in this marriage to do everything to make you feel the same. I vow to love you for who you are and never try to change you into something you are not. I promise to support you in every way so that every goal and dream you have is reached. You are my person, and I couldn't imagine a life without you in it. And becoming your wife is the easiest and best decision I've ever made. I love you.
You're my best friend, my teacher, my lover, my soulmate, and my wife. Today I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in the good times and in bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard, when our love is simple and when it's an effort. And I promise to cherish you and always hold you in highest regard. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple will be together. With my whole heart, I'll take you as my wife, acknowledging and accepting your flaws, your faults and strengths as you do mine. I promise to be faithful and supportive to you and always make our family love and happiness be my priority. I will be yours in plenty and want, in sickness and in health, in failure and in triumph. And I will strain with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. I promise to encourage your compassion. I promise to nurture your dreams, because through them your soul shines. I promise to help shoulder our challenges, for there is nothing we cannot face if we stand together. I promise to be your partner in all things, not possessing you, but working with you and as part of the whole. I promise to love and cherish you as much as I do our cats, as long as you take care of the bad civilians. Lastly, I promise you perfect love and perfect trust. For one lifetime with you could never be enough. These things I give to you today and all the days of our lives. I love you.
to introduce to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Bang.